Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Traffic Stop Takes Unexpected Turn When Officer Notices This by Body Cam Lockdown.
I'm sorry.
Better get your dog.
Hello, sir.
Hey, your license isn't good.
I'm sorry?
Valerie?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, your license is not good.
Why?
It says failure to pay a traffic ticket.
That happens.
I paid the traffic ticket.
Do you have your registration proof of insurance?
Yes, sir.
Y'all won't believe what she was doing when this officer caught her.
I'm sorry, sir. It's,
To do it and drive at the same time, you got to be pretty dedicated.
This is your old one.
I do have it, sir. Please bear with me.
Alright, you have proof of insurance?
Hell nah.
I have insurance. I have Geico.
Do you have like a proof of insurance on you?
Can I pull it up on my phone?
Sure.
I'm sorry. I can't believe my license is suspended. I have no idea.
And after noticing something odd on her hand, he has her do this.
Right, you can hold back onto this.
Yes, sir.
Step out of the car, you can look for it outside.
I would have been like, why are you making me step out?
Why are you bleeding out of your hand?
He says we're
She got two dogs?
at home or building a house.
With a second officer on scene, the lady becomes more panicked and continues to struggle to find the documents.
Uh-oh.
Oh, don't it take forever to stop.
Hold on. That's what you call her doing? Oh, wow.
Oh, cute puppies. What are their names?
She don't even look like a junkie.
For my bosses.
They're your bosses?
Yeah.
What you looking for, your insurance?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
I have
Ma'am.
insurance.
Who's the insurance for?
Geico.
You can't download the app and look it up? Or is that what you're trying to do?
Yes, ma'am.
I never want to see no cops fixing their gloves because I already know what's finna happen.
Put your hands on your back. I'll explain it to you in a second.
And with the lady going to jail, officers must appropriately take care of her dogs and inventory her car.
Can I please call my boss to come get the
Let him talk. We'll figure that out, okay?
Alright, your license is suspended. It said you received notice already in July. So here's what's going to happen. You're going to have to go to jail. We'll try to work with you with the dogs. But listen to me. I've been around for a while. You are extremely nervous. You have a needle mark fresh in your hand.
It's
Is
not.
there any needles in the car?
No,
100% sure.
it's not a needle mark, sir. I work. The house is being built over on Edgewater Canal.
What the fuck is she talking about?
May I please call my boss? Obviously, she's
Come
not.
get the dogs. You have no needles on you.
No, sir.
No needles in the car.
No, sir. Search the car, sir.
I'm not searching. I'm inventorying. It's getting towed.
Put it open to your face.
Search inventory is the same shit.
Sure. Excuse me, what's he doing? I didn't give you permission to search the car, sir.
Yeah, he's inventorying it. So we're trying to get so the dogs can go.
Oh, it's,
So Nope, you're staying right here.
He's
So
She like, he finna find my shit. I just paid for that.
inventorying the car because it's gonna get towed because you're being arrested.
but my boss can come and get it, ma'am.
So she's coming to get the dogs.
With the woman's boss not picking up, she becomes increasingly panicked, especially regarding her car.
Call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system 4077. Your call has been forwarded to an
want these
automatic.
dogs up here at the pound, so I started
Please, please, just be calm. Really answer, please.
Don't you have a guy that you live with? You're not home?
I'm calling.
Oh, that's who you're calling?
Who else are you trying to call?
Can I call my lawyer?
Who's
No,
calling?
not yet.
Do I have an extra number?
I'm arrested. I'm getting arrested. You have to come and get the dogs. They're in my car. He pulled me over and he's looking through the car, Rob. Please come and get it. I'm in Aldi's parking
So
lot.
he can get the dogs, not the car. Her license is suspended. So you can come get the dogs, but not the car. The car's getting towed.
Can I please have the water inside the car?
1 second. We're in the Aldi parking lot right across from Home Depot.
Where is she going?
She's gonna go to jail.
She ain't going to jail.
So what's jail?
Volusia County Branch Jail.
Call my lawyer, Rob.
Okay. What's the number about? Send me a number.
I'm in handcuffs, Rob. It's the defense group.
Okay. I don't know if I'll find it.
Yes. All right. So you're heading this way. How long will it be?
I'm at 400 right now.
Okay.
I was always going to be there. Was the boss with her in the car? Yeah,
Yes.
we got an animal control guy coming. If the record gets here before him, we can put him in the dogs in the temporary kennel in the truck, and you can come pick up the dogs.
Okay, well,
I'm on my way, but I'm in Portal.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah, you got some time. You got like.
I'll go right now.
All right.
Can you please wipe my
I
car?
wonder how far that is from where they at.
With what?
My
Sure.
shirt.
Hey, you can lift your shirt up.
I'm almost tempted to DUI. There's needles all in the center console.
I didn't give you permission to search the car.
Inventory, I'm towing your vehicle. That's policy.
She did not know what the fuck he talking about. She high as a kite.
So you can sit here, we can play games back and forth and all this stuff. I've been doing this for a long time. It's apparent that you just shot up dope and you're driving around my city. It's completely unacceptable.
Damn.
It looks like you failed to pay some type of ticket. That's what it's telling me. It said they gave you no
Instead of getting that, you should have been paying that damn ticket.
notice.
I haven't been home. I live out here now.
Haven't you been to court?
And why not just do that at home? Why do y'all always do shit in your car or do like, why not get to your house, shoot up, voila, you get to get on the couch, lay down, drink, smoke, just do it at the house. When you pay rent, you pay a mortgage. Why not just do all the bad shit that you know you can get a DUI for at home?
No.
What's so hard about that?
My lawyer goes to court. I haven't been to court.
All right. So since he's arresting you, I'm searching you. Do you have anything on you that'll stick and poke me? Anything inside of you? Okay. And then, is there a bottle of water in there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is there water in there that you can have a sip of, or
Oh, I'm sure I'll find it. I'll
Okay.
find it.
if I get stuck, I'm
Might be meth water.
gonna be
Ma'am,
really
there's
pissed off.
nothing on me.
Unfortunately, we've already we've broken trust. He took a long time to stop and was fucking with something, so just a heads up.
Oh shit, she was shooting up while he was pulling her over? Oh damn. Little baby needed that fix. I never want to mess with something that got that much of a hold on me. My arm, hold on. Arm going like that. Okay, I see that more. Yeah. Stop playing with him.
Just stay in the car.
There's something. You have nothing on you, right? You go to the jailhouse. It's going to be
I
more
don't have
charges.
anything on me.
She already used it.
Haven't got it off to the right on the wrong foot. I understand you don't want to get in trouble, but
Okay, I'm gonna fix your hand, okay? I can still fit my finger in there, but I'll loosen it up a little bit. But I can fit a finger in there.
That's what she said.
Are you gonna want more than that?
how money you got?
We're gonna go sit in my truck, okay? I'll roll down the window. So if he has any more questions.
Can I please call my lawyer?
So that'll be when you get to the jail. Sure.
How do I?
I got you. Okay. I'll roll down the window so it's nice on.
Valerie is charged with driving under the influence and possession of drug paraphernalia. Under Florida Statute 316.193, when you're operating a motor vehicle while impaired by alcohol, controlled substances, or other intoxicants to the point that a person's normal faculties are impaired, normal faculties including judgment, reaction time, balance, vision, and ability to operate a vehicle safely, you are driving under the influence. This has maximum penalties of up to 6 months in jail, up to a $1,000 fine, 6 to 12 months of license suspension, vehicle impounds mandatory.
That's why I say do the shit at home.
DUI school and substance abuse evaluation, and probation of up to 1 year. In this specific case, she was also driving on a suspended license, which can increase the amount of penalties depending on her prior history. All subjects are innocent until proven guilty in the court of law. As always, let me know your honest thoughts on this case down below in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Also, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps my channel out tremendously. And that's it, baby. Away. Out. I could put you on the flight.